Welcome back. Been away for a bit for Christmas. Back to the trading game now. I've started to revamp the group chat and just running in. I'm just going to start doing some trade recaps. I'm going to find it a bit more interesting to do and probably a bit more easier for you lot to understand how to trade and what I'm looking at when I trade. The back testing I'll continue to do here and there, but it's not really something that it's going to teach you a lot because it's a lot of an opinion based stuff, whereas this is factual, what I went in on rather than what I would go in on. Yeah, we'll get straight to this one. So we went into this Bitcoin trade today. This was the entry, this was the signals entry, hit all the TPs. I did run it a bit further. I'll show you on the analysis. I did run it down here for a 20.5 risk reward. That was the total TP, but obviously leave a runner. It's up to you where you take that runner. Yeah, we've got this chart coming down now, so we'll jump on it and see. So originally we were on the, I think, 4 hour, looking to take these SFPs here. Let's draw a line. So we're just looking to take the liquidity and whip that down. So you can see if we get rid of some of these fibs that are drawn, make the chart a bit cleaner for you to see. Go down to the 1 hour. So we came up on the 1 hour, I believe. We were here looking at it. I saw this hour right here. I thought we came up, we wicked these highs. So now I'm going to wait for a red dot. I'm waiting for the red dot on the market cipher with money flow coming down. So that indicated to me at this time here, we were ready to start looking for short trades. So all I did when I got to the hour there, so let's just mark that with a vertical line, is I went down to the 15. I was like, okay, we've got a bit of structure here. Let's wait till we can start putting a bit of a low in. So see here, we've got a big wick and a small wick and a bit of a bullish candle. I was like, okay, we can start drawing from the high to the low for a fib. Drew the fib. I was like, okay, that looks looking pretty nice. We've got a little target zone there, but we want to see some bullish momentum coming into that level, creating a divergence. And I noticed just above it we had the fair value gap here. The price was bound to respect. So we came here. And I was like, okay, the first level is here, we could front run this Fibonacci level, not touch it because it's good resistance, but just front run it and come down. So that's the first option that I had, so I looked for entries on that. I went down to the 3, let's just move this along. Came down to the 3 minute, I started seeing these bearish divergences and the money flow starting to come down. So at this level, I was like, okay, we're going to start wanting to look for shorts, and we're starting to see this money flow coming down here. Went down to the 1 minute. So I posted the signal at 2:05, I think it was, which is here. Just to clarify that, I'm going to check the chat. What time was it? It was 2:05. Yeah, that's correct. So 2:05 here. That's where I said to the group chat, this is good to go in for this trade. And the reason I said that, believe it or not, is this tiny little inverted fair value gap here. Before this, we've not managed to displace below really any fair value gap and retest it that created a higher high. But in this situation here, we had this high and created another high. We hadn't quite broken, we'd taken that lick as well. We had broken that lick, my apologies. We had broken that lick as well, so I was like, okay, we've made a higher high with candles and with wicks. So if we can displace below this fair value gap, which is at the 50% line of this 1 minute structure, we should be good to take a short, and that there was a good fair value gap. As you can see, that's where I looked to place my entry. As we came down, displaced below it and came back up and touched it. My SL was going to be above this high. I thought I'm not going to get just above it because if we take the liquidations I don't want to be right at the top, so I'm going to take it just before this high here relative to this high. That's where my SL was planned to be. And I base my TPs off of risk to reward, so I look at the closest liquidity above a 1 risk to reward. So in this situation here, 1 risk to reward is here. I'm looking left, the first TP is going to be here. So my first TP was 107,400. 107,400. So next TP is just above a 2.5 risk to reward, the next liquidation. So I may have gone here. Well, I think I probably would have gone there if I'm going to be honest. 107, 106 is that next TP? 107, 110 next TP. and then for the final TP I'm looking at a key level, so I've gone on to hour, and I've pulled this down to this value area high, 105.834. Now this might have slightly changed because at the time it would have been a bit different. I'll see if I can get an accurate reading. So yeah, so it would have been around 105.866. 105, so this is 106.038. So it's just above there. Maybe I want to spot something on a lower time frame, I'm not too sure. Maybe we'll have spotted these liquidations, so if we put it to there. Oh wait, no, that wasn't even the value high, that's why. There we go. 105, 106.055, 106, no, 106.038, 106.055. There we go. So that was the full trade. I did actually ride this trade out further, as said. I was aiming to touch this value low and maybe the bottom of the CME gap. So I just took it out around here. I think it was at here. 102.546. It might have been a bit lower. 101.857. So I did ride this trade out down to here. Which was a 21.81 risk to reward. But that was the trade recap. Nice, quick, snappy. Hopefully enjoyed it. I'll make a few more of these and stick them into the VIP. No, not the VIP. Sorry, the free Discord. I'm gonna make some separate ones for the VIP Discord. They're a bit more inclusive. I can also make you think rather than me just telling you what's happening before I actually present the trade. Maybe do a bit of bar replay, this, that, the other. But join the Discord. Links in the description. And yeah, I'll catch you next time.